Welcome back, everybody. So here we have it. We'll be doing Mexican street hot dogs. So let's go ahead and fire up this blackstone. All right, let's go ahead and add some oil. This is the hot dogs that we're using. Got these at Walmart. So you can find this at Walmart, or you can do it yourself. They're not hard to do. I just figured it was easy. So we're going to be adding some bell peppers, all 3 colors, and some jalapenos mixed in there. So I have the blackstone on low also, so we can keep a good eye on it. Let's go ahead and add our veggies. Our jalapenos. I'm going to season them with some fajita from Meat Church. Oh yeah. This is pretty easy and quick cook. So it doesn't take that long. Pretty much you're just getting the bacon. A nice golden color. Let me know now down in the comments, how do you guys like your hot dogs? How do you guys eat it with? What toppings do you guys use? And then my buns of choice, the outdoor premium rolls. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and put some buns. Now the way I like to do them, I just like to toast the outside. Has a crunch on the outside and soft on the inside. Yeah, buddy's looking good, guys. It's looking good. Ooh, it's hot. The dog is ready. Put these here. And then let's add our veggies here. And then we're going to go build this so you guys can see how this is going to look. Ooh, yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so here we have it. We're done. This smells so good. You can smell the jalapenos right off the bat. So let's build it. Dog. Just like that. Look at that. Some jalapenos in there. Gotta have your mustard. You gotta have your ketchup. There it looks. How does it look? Looks good, huh? Mmm. No, that's a hot dog. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know what kind of toppings you guys like on your hot dogs. We'll see you guys next time.